All right, so here we are with the after of this quick restoration. You know, we've done, as I said in the previous video, we wire brushed everything off, all the rust, all the shit off there. Brought it back down to a clean finish, where now you can actually read the inscription on there. And from there, what we did is we reground the bevels to a usable edge, because these things came out very, very thick, used mostly as prying tools. So now this thing is going to cut like son of a bitch. From there, when we had everything cleaned up, we did a quick gun bluing of everything on here, quick gun bluing of the back on here, and we stone washed the whole bit of it. Then from there, since the wire brushing and the stone washing, it does play a bit on the handle. From there, I went back and refinished the handle. And look what was hiding under all that shit, man. Get a good close-up of that, man. That is some beautiful stacked leather on here, really is. And that was hiding under 80 years of gunk and shit. So, yeah, real pleased with the way that came out. It's going to be usable for old and slow. And just show you, we got some newsprint here. See if we can fucking cut Santa's head off. And there it goes. Sharp as you like. And like I said, this thing is going to be durable as hell. It is still, like I said, it's peened on there. This handle isn't moving anywhere. I've tested it. There's no play side to side, no play front to back. So this thing is going to be sturdy and perfectly usable as a camp knife. So, there it is. There we go. Cheers, and yeah, RDOT's a fag.